In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Filmora to edit your videos like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or someone with a bit more experience in video editing, this guide will help you navigate through the essentials with ease. So let's dive in. First things first, you need to go to Filmora. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and searching for Filmora. Once you reach the site, you'll want to access the platform where all the magic happens. This is where you'll be able to import and work with your video projects. Once you're on Filmora, the next step is to actually dive into the editing process. The first thing you'll need to do is import your video. Look for the Media Import option. It's usually quite straightforward and easy to find. When you click on it, you can choose the video file you wish to edit from your computer. This is a crucial step as everything stems from the video you start with. Now that your video is imported, it's time to unleash your creativity. Filmora offers a range of tools and features to enhance your video. Firstly, you can add audio. Whether it's a background score, narration, or sound effects, incorporating audio can dramatically change the feel of your video. To achieve this, navigate to the audio section and select from a library of sounds, or use your own files to fit the theme of your project. Next, we have titles. Adding titles is an excellent way to introduce your video or highlight significant moments within it. You can choose from a variety of fonts, styles, and animations. Customize these to match the tone of your video. Filmora gives you the flexibility to be as creative or as straightforward as you like. Transitions come into play when you want to move smoothly from one scene to another. Filmora has a variety of transitional effects, everything from classic fades to more dynamic options, to ensure your video flows nicely from start to finish. They are easy to insert between video clips with just a drag and drop. Don't forget to explore effects and filters, which can transform the look of your entire video. From enhancing colors to creating an entirely different mood, effects and filters are your go-to tools for visual transformation. To add a bit more flair, Filmora also offers stickers and templates. These can be a great way to add finishing touches or special highlights throughout your video. Stickers can add fun or emphasize points, while templates can help maintain a consistent style or theme across your project. And there you have it. Once you've made all your edits, reviewed your video, and feel satisfied with the outcome, your work is truly done. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you explore these features, the better you'll get at creating amazing videos. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.